Hello Shamanettes, and welcome to the Beauty Shaman. As a pro-aging woman, I primarily focus on brands that cater to mature skin, including skincare, makeup, and wellness. In this video, we will go through my top 5 brands that cater to mature skin, and I promise you haven't heard of a few of them. Please check out the links below for each brand. Let's get started. The first brand is PrimeMetics. So my favorite products are their eyelash volumizer and mascara. So this is the mascara. This takes thinning, sparse lashes and really pumps them up. The volumizer adds up to 12 times the lash thickness with 2 coats. It's clump-free, it's very intense. The mascara has an incredible wand with very fine fibers that helps them to grip lashes and get 2 small lashes. It's buildable, it doesn't cause breakage, and it's water repellent. So I really love these. They are my new go-to for long lashes. For more information, please see my detailed video in the link below. They also make eye creams and eyeliner pencils, that sort of thing. So I think this is just a brilliant brand. Check them out. Okay, the second one is Boom Beauty. Boom is a wonderful line for mature skin, and my favorite products are the Boom Sticks. They can be used as lipstick, blush, highlight, depending on the shade. They are sheer, buildable, easy to use, and easy to pack with you. They are non-toxic and vegan. They come as singles or in packs of 3. My personal favorite is the Boom Stick Trio with a lovely berry shade highlighter and a moisturizer for both face and body. I also love their face oil. Let me just show that to you. It's behind me here. This is their face oil. This one's called Nectar. They have 2 of them. I actually love both of them. It's a moisturizer and just wonderful on your skin. Has kind of a citrusy smell to it. I absolutely love it. The other product behind me, that I want to show you is their Brow, Boom Brow. I use this practically every single day. Very good brow gel, works really well. I have it on right now. Just a beautiful product. So anyway, I love Boom Beauty. Do check them out. I think they're fabulous. Okay, the third product brand I want to talk about is Merit Beauty. So this is their Great Skin Serum. I absolutely love Merit Beauty. I can honestly say everything I have purchased from them or that they have sent me, I have been happy with. Absolutely everything. I have about 10 different products from them, and I love this brand. My key products that I use almost daily are the Glow Serum, which is this, has a little bit of bronzer in it, makes your skin look nice and healthy and glowy. I also really love the bronzer, which looks like this. Sorry, I keep turning away, but everything's behind me. This is the bronzer. This is the color, and this is called Clay. Absolutely love this color. I use this almost daily as well. They also have the brush number 1, which is a fabulous blending brush. Do I have that? Yes, I do. Here it is. The brush number 1. I've used this a lot, as you can see. Very loved. They also have blush, lipstick, eyeshadows, foundations, everything. Everything I've used. Honestly, I absolutely love it. Merit is a clean, non-toxic brand made to be easy to use for a minimalistic look, which I love, very into minimalistic looks. I've used these products as well on other women, and I honestly love the payoff, and I'm constantly sending people their direction. So really check out Merit Beauty. It's worth the price point. It is probably mid-range, I'd say, price point, and well worth it. Okay, the fourth brand I want to talk about is Truth Treatment Systems. It's my favorite skincare. It's the one I love and use primarily. I do dabble in other brands. I just did a video for Ovang Skincare, which is a makeup remover, a cleanser, and a bakuchiol cream as well. That's also a wonderful line, but Truth Treatment Systems is probably the one I use the most when it comes to their vitamin C serum, their hyaluronic acid, alpha hydroxy acids, moisturizers. Truth Treatment Systems is really kind of second to none. This is their primo kind of product. This is their tetrahexadecyl ascorbate vitamin C, THCA. Really, it's got 75% vitamin C. So one of the highest in the market. I absolutely love this. I've seen a huge improvement in my skin since I started using them. I would definitely recommend you check them out. They are on the pricey side, I'll be honest with you. But they, I think it just depends on where you're at financially and what you want to spend. I would say if you're really into skincare, definitely go for it. If you want to just get 1 or 2 items, I would say get the transdermal C serum and the hyaluronic acid, 2 of my favorite products that they make. You only use 1 or 2 drops a day, so it does last about 3 months. So, a big bottle like this is going to last about 3 months. I use it every single day and I swear by it. Check them out. The last brand I want to talk about, you have definitely not heard of. It's called Better Skin RX. So this is just a sole proprietor. He emailed me and said, hey, I've got this product. Would you try it out? Would you give me some feedback? His name is Richard. And so I was like, absolutely. I love trying out new lines. If you have a new line, absolutely send it my way. I absolutely love trying new things, giving feedback, doing videos on new products. I'm very keen to promote smaller lines. So what this is, Better Skin RX, it is microcurrent dots. Okay, so I know this sounds very, very strange, but it's microcurrent dots. They look like this. I probably should have taken them out of the baggie, but in any case, they're just little gold and silver dots. Try to hold this in a way that you can see it. They are zinc and copper infused dots. Very interesting. Let me explain it to you. So the brand itself is a work in progress. So if you go to their website, you will see it is definitely a work in progress, but I think he's got a very interesting product on his hands. They are zinc and copper dots. Like I said, you can apply straight to damp skin or use in a face mask to take advantage of their microcurrent technology. There is microcurrent in every single dot. What that means is that those dots kill bacteria, improve blood flow, help with collagen production and inflammation. I used one of them on a rash I've had on my face. I've had this rash for about a month right here, and I'm an esthetician and I could not get rid of this rash. Put one of the dots on there, and within 12 hours it completely cleared up, which is fabulous. So the thing I would say about these is you can really feel the microcurrent. It's weird because they're just in these little dots and you put them directly on your skin, which for me was a little intense. I would say he suggested to put them in these, like a face mask type thing, whoops, which I did. And put this on, but you have to lie down with this. It doesn't just stay on your face. So it really is something you put on and you leave on for a little while, and then you can put the dots on the inside. I would say you could probably put them on an LED mask, any mask that you have. I think you can do it directly on your skin. Like I said, I did that. What I would say is the microcurrent, you can feel it in your teeth. I use a microcurrent machine almost every day, and I could feel it in my teeth. Very interesting on the microcurrent. So I would say if you don't like that feeling of microcurrent, and if you're not into microcurrent, I wouldn't touch these. But I would say if you're interested in it and you want to try something that's inexpensive, that works very well, you can definitely use these. You can also put them in your shoes to help with bad foot odor. Very interesting. If you have muscle or joint pain, you can put it straight on the joint or muscle. My knees sometimes hurt because I'm a runner, 58 years old, and I'm a runner. So sometimes I'll put them on my knees, and that definitely helps. I would say these are not clinically tested. I'm only stating my experience, but they're interesting. So I wanted to bring them to your attention because you're very, very smart women. And if you have any feedback about this copper and zinc dots, please let me know. I'd love to hear from you, and I'm sure so would Richard. Please let me know what brands you like the most and any questions you might have. You can find links to every single brand down below, and you can obviously contact them directly. Thank you so much for watching The Beauty Shaman.